Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera and I'm Shefali. The Supreme Court has put a temporary hold on criminal defamation proceeding against Congress leader and leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, stemming from comments he made during the 2022 Bharat Jodo Yatra about the Indian Army. Now, these remarks have sparked controversy after Gandhi allegedly claimed that Chinese soldiers were beating up Indian troops in Arunachal Pradesh, a statement perceived as a direct criticism of the government's handling of broader tensions with China. A bench comprising Justices Dipankar Datta and Augustine George Massey questioned Gandhi's decision to make such sensitive statements through social media rather than addressing them in Parliament. The bench also raised concerns about the credibility of the information cited by Gandhi, asking whether such claims were based on any verifiable material. The judges expressed that such assertions, particularly those suggesting the loss of Indian territory to China, should not be made lightly by someone in public office, as they could be seen as unpatriotic during a time of conflict. The bench appeared to caution that while the Constitution guarantees the right of freedom of speech under Article 19(1)(a), this right does not provide unrestricted license to make statements that could be defamatory, especially against national institutions like the army. Senior advocate Abhishek Mangusanvi, representing Gandhi, argued that the remarks as questioned did not warrant a criminal defamation case, particularly one initiated by a third party. He contended that the complaint in this case was not directly defamed and that the High Court has erred its reasoning by allowing the case to proceed based on what he described as a novel and incorrect interpretation of the law. Nevertheless, the bench decided to issue a notice to the state and stayed further proceedings in the case for the time being. The matter is expected to be taken again in 3 weeks from now. The defamation case originated from a complaint filed by lawyer Vivek Tiwari on behalf of Uday Shankar Srivastava, a retired director of the Border Roads Organization, who holds a rank equivalent to that of a colonel. Srivastava alleged that Gandhi's remarks made on December 16, 2022, in the aftermath of a December 9 clash between India and Chinese forces, were defamatory and insulting to the Indian Army. A Lucknow court has initially summoned Gandhi in the matter, directing him to appear in March. Gandhi then approached the Allahabad High Court seeking to quash the summons, but his plea was rejected. Now, in its ruling, the High Court held that even individuals who are not directly targeted by defamatory remarks may qualify as aggrieved person under Section 199(1) of the Criminal Procedure Code, provided they experience personal harm or more adversely affected. The court further noted that the complainant had experienced sincere respect for the Indian Army and felt personally aggrieved by Gandhi's statement, thereby justifying his stand to file the complaint. The High Court has also emphasized that the right to free speech cannot be stretched to include statements that potentially damage the reputation of the armed forces. That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to The Savera, download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.